Hi everyone, I'm creating a beautiful baby keepsake featuring succulents, gold flakes, and a pregnancy test in the center of a Z. This baby keepsake was so fun to make and I'm excited to share it with you. First, you'll want to measure out equal parts of resin and hardener. Mix slowly until both parts are combined. The succulents came from an Etsy shop called the Mossy Thimble. I will have it linked in the description below. Since my customer only wanted a pregnancy test in her keepsake, I placed that already in the center off camera and let that layer cure.
That is similar.
Just a little side note, I UV resined the popsicle shells to the first layer so they would stay in place while I did this layer. So you'll just pour another clear layer and wait for it to get tacky so the succulents won't sink. Here I'm just adding the gold flakes my customer requested. And place the succulents on top of the wooden sticks. If you've enjoyed this video so far, please like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this one. Leave a comment and let me know what you think of this keepsake. I am so proud of this keepsake and I hope my customer loves it. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.